Even though infrared light is sometimes referred to as radiation, it's not very often that it can be dangerous. When you absorb infrared light, like in the case of my red light therapy device, the only thing that happens is you'll feel warmer. Is that so bad? It's not really harmful. Unlike more powerful forms of radiation, like my ultraviolet B lamp, for instance, I've discovered combining the two, infrared and ultraviolet B light, has become the backbone of my achievement, all my achievements in beating MS. Hey, it's Steve. The device I own is a combination of red light and near infrared. The reason this is safer than UVB is infrared light only has enough energy to start moving molecules around, not to break them apart or otherwise cause damage. Since I have more flexibility and I'm not worried about it being dangerous, it gives me the flexibility not only to how long I want to expose myself during each session, but which part of the body I want to expose. I mean, it's safe enough even to use daily. I know you guys appreciate how I don't take anything at face value. I constantly am scouring the internet in a tireless search to find real answers for MS. The benefits are shrouded in MS, but they are there. I am so happy Okie Dokie left a comment and recommended this to me. One of the biggest known effects of red and near infrared light is supplies mitochondria. The mitochondria in each and every cell in the body with adenosine triphosphate. Also known as ATP, it is literally its only food source. So all the food we eat is, along the way, just slowly broken apart and converted into ATP for our cells. But for MS, it goes deeper. And I know now mitochondria produce several crucial roles in oligodendrocytes. They are the cells in our central nervous system that makes myelin. So you are probably wondering why it's as good as I say it is. Why do ultraviolet B light therapy at all? It's because both types of light achieve different things. In my opinion, both things we desperately need. I've stated countless times on this channel that ultraviolet B light causes DNA damage. UVB light is at one end of the spectrum and is very energetic and has the potential to cause the damage that we want. When a small amount of damage happens to cells called Langerhans cells in the skin, it activates a pathway in the brain called transforming growth factor beta. It temporarily shuts down the immune system and it shuts down the immune cells responsible for causing our multiple sclerosis. But now, for me, I know stopping MS, it's not enough. And I know you are just like me, we want more than that. We want our myelin back. Mitochondria can't do this on its own. But going to that end of the light spectrum through all visible light to the other one, red light and near infrared light, with their longer wavelengths, have the ability to penetrate deep into body tissues. A quick example is only the red light frequencies are passing through the finger. Red and infrared light can pass deep into the body. Now, here's the setup. I have an entire playlist devoted to eating one meal a day. It's known as OMAD. The liver now takes its place. The OMAD diet makes the liver produce ketone bodies when in the fasted state. Ketone bodies are quickly and easily transported into the central nervous system, where they are converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Let me pause for a minute and give you a little backstory. They say that the problem in MS is there are plenty of cells that make myelin surrounding our sclerosis, but they just don't. These cells are known as oligodendrocyte precursor cells. So why don't they do it? Maybe, just maybe, we need the red and infrared light to pass into the central nervous system and encounter OPCs. The mitochondria inside the OPCs produce ATP. Then all three, OPCs, ATP, and acetyl coenzyme A, are combined to synthesize lipids for myelination. Now that's the way I see it. Pulling from opposite ends of the light spectrum to stop the immune system demyelination, then restore our myelin, and set in place protection for our myelin in the future. Are you using red light therapy yet? Have you taken my recommendation and am using a UVB lamp? Even better, are you using both? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.